Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to get a refund on Finelo AI. So first is you just have to log into your Finelo account. Okay, and then you have these options at the bottom. We have the learn, the tools, simulator, the letterboard, and the profile. So simply tap on the profile option. That's right. And then here at the top right corner of your screen, you have the gear icon. Okay, so again, if you subscribe on the Finalo website or the application, you can contact the Finalo support as soon as possible. But as you can see, we're using the app. So simply tap on the gear icon or the settings. Then we have here now the contact support option. So you just have to simply tap on that one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then here, just have to submit a refund request by providing here your name, your email address, and then your concern. Then you just have to add here the details. And then if you would like to add files right here for proof, so you can also upload that right here. Okay. So you have to include the payment date as well, your order or transaction ID, and the reason you're requesting a refund. So Finalo states that refund requests are reviewed case by case according to the refund policy and applicable laws. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the send option and then make sure that the email that you are using is active because they will be updating you using your email. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.